1977 Chevrolet El Camino. This thing was restored a few years ago. It looks great. They did a good job. Runs and drives excellent. It's got a 350 with cold AC. We sell and ship worldwide. We finance nationwide. Please visit our website for more information on that. We got a little bit of rain happening here, but I'm gonna see if I can finish this video before it gets too bad. For more information on the financing, please visit our website. Just scroll down. The website is located in the description of this video. There's our information right there, phone number, the website, the name of the company. Great looking interior. Like I said, it's been restored. There's a spare right there in your jack. A little compartment to store things. Nice stock, all original 350, running great. Got a rebuilt compressor. AC was done about a year ago. Thanks for watching.